Nangita ba mong sign para mag-upgrade sa inyong TV? Mauna ni! I'm here at Gloria Bazaar for the Ultimate Sony Caravan 2026. And the deals are literally red hot.
The asphalt is humming under the Glory Bazaar sky. The caravan pulls
Check this out. Kung mupalit mo og Sony TV, dili lang cinematic experience ang inyong makuha. Because you get a free cell phone.
of the Sony machine.
Kanindot na rin nga cellphone, no?
Digital dream. Leave your old shadows by the
Free na ni siya kung mupalit kag Sony TV.
and it will not wait.
But wait, there's more nga apay cashback deals para makadaginot mo. And don't worry about sa budget. Pwede rin kayo for installment via home credit or credit card. Suwa kay sa bulsa, di ba?
Hot deals in the 2026, but this is a promise.
One more good news, starting today until March 7, Rani. Pero mauni ang secret, ang first 20 customers makadawat og 300 pesos worth of McDonald's gift certificate.
This map is waiting in a fully silver sky. Don't you look over your shoulder, don't you look back.
Kung sa pa inyong giulat, dali na diri sa Gloria Bazaar, Bernard Avenue, Usami City. First come, first serve di guys. See you here!
Hello, Misamis Occidental. Maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan. Sony and Gloria Bazaar, nagpahigayon kami og Ultimate Sony Caravan from March 2 up to March 7, 2026. At doon na kami pa free nga cellphone and additional cashback every purchase of our TV and speaker. So, unsa pa inyong gihalat? Ali na, diri lang sa Gloria Bazaar, Daba Branch, Usami City.